It's Friday or Thursday, June 3rd. This is our new toy. Just picked up or delivered yesterday. Bought it at auction. Came out of Lumberton, North Carolina. Came with the front end loader. It's a 1956 Massey Ferguson TO-35. Came with the 5-foot bucket. One of the welds is broken on off of the bucket down there where it mounts at the bottom. Getting ready to start on it. Pulled the plugs and oiled down the cylinders. Have to go pick up a battery. And I just went to release one of the levers on the front end there, and it's making noises out of the hose there. Gonna have to replace those lines. The lines going to the cylinders look good, but the lines going out of the box, if you look at that one, that's where it's leaking at, right around there. And that was definitely weathered up. The rest of them look pretty good. These up here look good. That one maybe. Replace that one there, that short one. It's coming out of a steel line and going down to one of the lift cylinders. Those are the bucket tilt. This one looks like it was replaced recently. That one's a little weather checked, but not really bad. Front tires in fairly good shape. Back tires are worn pretty good. Worn down, weather checked. So boots on the shifters appear to be good. We haven't serviced it yet. Steering wheel's cracked up a little. I guess they took the lights off to fit the loader on there. If this thing even came with lights, I really don't know. But regardless, it'll get some lights on there somewhere. Well, we'll see how it goes. More later. Thank you.